Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my whole house cleaning routine. This is basically my weekly cleaning routine that I do one day out of the week, typically on a Monday, and today is a Monday. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It will be an all-day clean with me. Lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration for you guys. Real quickly, before we get started with this video, I wanted to share with you guys the online learning community that I have been using for the past couple of months, and that community is called Skillshare, and Skillshare is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes. I have learned so much. There is so much knowledge on there that you can learn from. Lately, I have really been trying to learn more about interior design, trying to gain more knowledge about it, and of course there is interior design classes on Skillshare. Two of the ones that I've been loving are by Lauren Cox and by Emily Henderson. They're so interesting. I've learned so much, and I love that they also give you like a project as well as the classes. The class by Lauren Cox is called Interior Design Basics: Simple Steps to Your Perfect Space. She just explains everything out so simply and just is really easy to understand. Even if you have like no knowledge of interior design, I feel like she just brings it all out so simple that anybody could understand it. And I have something really exciting for you guys. The first 500 people to click the link down below will get 2 months free of Skillshare Premium membership. Now let's get right into my whole house cleaning routine. I hope that you guys enjoy. Okay, so the first thing that I did was to tidy up my bedroom and make my bed, and like I said, this is going to be my whole house cleaning routine. I do this once a week on a Monday, and basically my whole house cleaning routine is where I just go through the whole house and clean every single room, sweep the floors, mop the floors, get all of the laundry done, and just get the whole house spotless clean. I'll usually clean out the fridge and all of that type of stuff. That way I have a spotless clean house ready for the week, and then all I have to do every morning is just do a quick tidy up throughout the whole house. It just helps my week to go so much better when I can start it off with a clean house and getting all of the laundry done. I'm going to go ahead and get my first of many loads of laundry started here, and I'm using the Everspring brand of laundry soap from Target and then the Method brand of fabric softener. After I get this first load started, I will sort through the rest of these clothes so that they are ready to go for the second load. Next room I'm going to tidy up is the living room and then the dining room area, and then we will start working on the kitchen. And as far as dusting the house, I only do that about every 2 weeks. I used to be able to do that every single week before I had kids and before I got so busy. Now it only happens about every 2 weeks, or sometimes even longer than that. Okay, so now I'm working on cleaning up this kitchen and washing all of these dishes. The dishes always seem to pile up after a busy weekend, but throughout the week after I do this whole house cleaning, I try to just wash the dishes as I use them after each meal, or while I'm cooking, or while I'm baking. After you're done using something, just go ahead and wash it right away, and then things don't stack up so quickly like they did here, for example, in this video. And I don't use the dishwasher. I just wash all of my dishes by hand, since the dishwasher doesn't really get the dishes very clean, but the dishwasher does come in handy when you have limited counter space. I could just put the dishes in there to drain. Stay tuned here on my channel. Be sure that you're subscribed because next Saturday's video will be an announcement video that I am finally sharing with you guys, and I'm so excited. So be sure that you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on so that you don't miss next Saturday's video. Some of the things that I do in my kitchen once a week is to pull these big jars out and clean behind them and underneath of them and clean the jars themselves and wipe them off. I always get questions where those big jars are from, and I have them linked in my Amazon storefront, so I will just put a link for them down below. And then I will also move anything else that's on my countertop and wipe behind it and underneath of it and wipe down the item itself. Whatever you have sitting on your kitchen countertop, usually throughout the week, you're just like quickly wiping around them. It's good once a week to just pull them out and clean underneath of them and stuff. I also like to clean my stovetop once a week using my Ceramibrite stovetop cleaning kit. I will also put a link for this down below. It is awesome, and if you have a glass stovetop, then you need to own this cleaning kit. And here are the two cleaning products that I was using in my kitchen. They're both 7th generation. I use the all-purpose spray to spray on all of the countertops and the backsplash and everywhere, and then the soap, of course, I use to wash the dishes. Something that I also do once a week is to wipe down this trash can. I just use a cleaner, spray that all over there, and just use paper towels to wipe it down. And I have gotten some people ask me to link this trash can, so I will do that in this video. I got that from Walmart. I'll put a link for it down below. And then I went to the grocery store the other day and I just stuffed stuff in here because I was in a hurry. Didn't bother to put things away in their containers and stuff. And I want to start the week off with an organized pantry and an organized fridge because I do have a meal plan for this week. So I wanted to pull everything out of the pantry here, get it all organized so that I was ready for the week, and then I'm also going to clean out my fridge and get that organized and wiped out. It's always a good idea to at least clean out your fridge once a week. Just go through it, get it organized, throw out things that are going bad, use up things that are going to be going bad soon, because when your fridge is a mess, you're going to waste so much food because you're not going to see that food in the back of the fridge that needs to be used up because your fridge is so unorganized. My fridge had gotten really crazy here, and so I was trying to get it better organized and ready for the week so that I could use up all the food that I had in here. Love having organizational containers in my fridge for different categories of food. In this container, I had all of the stuff for our lunches this week. We're going to be having salads and sandwiches. In this container is stuff for some recipes I'm making. In this green container, I always keep stuff for breakfasts, the big bag of shredded cheese. I've got some meat thawing out in that other container, and then of course my lettuce and my fruit, things like that in the bottom drawers. Then I keep all of the sauces and the milk, different things like that in the door of the fridge. Now that I'm done in the kitchen, I'm going to swap those clothes from the washer to the dryer and get a second load of clothes started. And actually here in the next couple of clips, I will be getting like 3 loads of laundry started because at this point in the day, I had to stop my cleaning and go do some computer work. I had some important phone calls to make. So that took me about like 2.5 hours. And so during that time, I was just swapping out the laundry and stuff. So that's why here you're seeing it just like me swapping out multiple loads of laundry. Okay, the last two rooms to clean in the house are the boys' bedroom and then our little bathroom. Every day throughout the week, the boys clean up their own bedroom, but I like to come in at least one day out of the week and deep clean their bedroom, vacuum it all, just get it nice and spotless clean for them. That way it's easier for them to keep it clean every single day throughout the week if I just do that deep cleaning in their room at least once a week, because kids can't quite get their room as clean as mom can. The vacuum I'll be using today is the Shark Uplight Vacuum. I love this vacuum, best corded vacuum that I've ever owned. It does an amazing job. I also have a cordless vacuum, which you guys have seen in a ton of my videos. Here I'm giving you a little peek at just how messy their floor is once you shake out their rug and stuff. Just is a little boy's room. The floor does get messy in here. I like to use this corded Shark vacuum once a week on a Monday when I do these deep cleanings throughout the whole house. I will use this vacuum throughout the whole house, and then for all the rest of the days of the week when I'm just doing that quick tidy up, I will just grab my cordless vacuum to do a quick vacuuming. Kyle will even vacuum for me sometimes with that cordless vacuum, so it's just really handy to have both of the vacuums. Okay, now their room is clean and I'm going to move on to cleaning up this bathroom. And one of the pros to having a tiny bathroom is that it doesn't take very long to clean. So I'm going to do some deep cleaning in here. First thing I did, spray down the countertop and then wipe them down with these 7th generation wipes. These are so nice to keep in your bathroom countertops. It makes wiping down the countertops and the toilet and everything so much easier. And if you have multiple bathrooms, I would recommend keeping a container of these wipes in each of your bathroom just to make it so much easier on yourself. When you're doing that quick tidy up throughout the week, you can just grab a cleaning wipe from underneath there to quickly wipe down the countertop. Okay, so now I'm going to vacuum the rest of the house. I got the bathroom vacuumed in the hallway, and now I'm going to vacuum the living room, entryway, kitchen, our master bedroom, everything. And then the last thing that I will be doing for the day is to fold all of these clothes over here on the dryer. And of course, for this once a week cleaning, like I said, I do mop the floor after I sweep everything. I ran out of time because, like I said, I ended up having to do so much computer work and paperwork and phone calls and stuff, and so my cleaning just got run into the end of the day and it was getting dark. so I just put off the mopping until the next day. But I do mop my floors once a week with the O Cedar Spin Mop. I love it. I highly recommend it. I'll be sure and put a link for that down below. I am ending the day by folding all of this laundry. I hope that you guys enjoyed this whole house cleaning routine video and that it gave you motivation and inspiration. If you enjoyed it, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and always feel free to leave a comment down below. It helps out my channel so much, and I love to read through all of the comments from you guys. Also, don't forget the first 500 people to click that link down below in the description box for Skillshare will get 2 months of free premium membership, so don't forget to go and click that and check them out. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you next week on Saturday with that announcement video. Stay tuned. Bye.